Hi guys, so are you ready to take your taste buds to an incredible journey to the heart of Southeast Asia? Today we are diving into the rich, aromatic and deeply flavorful world of Malaysian cuisine with our authentic Malaysian beef curry. This isn't just any curry, we are talking about the incredibly tender, slow cooked beef that falls apart with a fork. Bathed in a thick, fragrant gravy made from a symphony of toasted spices, creamy coconut milk, and a flavorful curry powder. It's a dish that's a true celebration of Malaysian culinary heritage. Complex in flavor, yet surprisingly simple to master at home. Whether you are a curry lover or a complete beginner, this recipe is a must try. So grab your spices and get ready because we are about to show you how to recreate this masterpiece in your own kitchen. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Also, please do share my recipes with your loved ones so that they also can try these delicious recipes at home. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first, in a hot pan, add oil, add 4 garlic cloves chopped, 2-inch ginger chopped, and fry it until it turns nice and light brown. Then add 2 onions chopped and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 2 star anise, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 6 cloves. Then add 35 to 40 curry leaves and fry it for about 2 minutes. Until the curry leaves and spices are nicely cooked with the onion. Then add 3 tablespoons curry powder, half tablespoon red chili powder, and then fry the curry powder for about 2 minutes until it leaves a nice aroma. Then add 700 grams beef washed and cut in small pieces and fry the beef for about 3 to 4 minutes until the beef has changed its color. With this, beef will absorb all the flavors and the spices. Then add 3 cups water, add some salt to taste, add 1 stock cube and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it until the beef is nice and soft. And then give it a nice mix. Then add 3 potatoes diced and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it until the potatoes are nice and soft. Then add 400 ml coconut milk, add 1 cup water and give it a nice mix. Then add 1 tomato chopped and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 5 minutes. Then give it a nice mix. and cook it until the curry is nice and thick. So the Malaysian beef curry is ready. And there you have it guys, your very own deeply aromatic and incredibly flavorful Malaysian beef curry. Just look at that rich thick gravy and the tender beef that's just falling apart. This dish is a true celebration of spices and a testimony of rich culinary heritage of Malaysia. I truly hope you enjoyed this flavorful journey. This is the perfect dish for a cozy night in, and I promise that everyone will love this recipe. Give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments below how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.